Let's see what we got. What could possibly be in this package? What are we dealing with today? Well, let's take a look here. And let's see. These are audio cables that go from the mixing board or the mixing console to the iPhone. So, for example, they're like headphone jacks where you can plug in your headphone, or if you're trying to use it as auxiliary cables. That's basically what these are. They kind of go with the other cables I showed you the last time that were braided. So that's basically what this is. It has nothing to do with the phone per se, but in a way it actually does, especially if you want to play your music through the mixer. So yeah, it does have to do with the phone. I'm trying to get all my accessories. So there you go. Here's some more audio cables, because once again, I am a sound tech. And that's what that is. Thanks for watching. More videos to come soon. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and comment and rate. The Spam Man, and out.